If you are in need of a Tesla-approved Model Y collision repair in Bloomington, Illinois, you have come to the right place. S Paint and Body specializes in repairing Tesla vehicles to factory standards after a car accident. Our Tesla-approved repair process includes the use of genuine Tesla parts, advanced tools, and equipment designed specifically for your Model Y. From frame repairs to bodywork and paint matching, we ensure your vehicle is restored to its pre-accident condition. Our technicians are trained and certified to handle Tesla repairs with precision and care. Call S&S Paint and Body today to get a repair estimate for your Model Y.